Welcome back to Sheets Logic, where we turn chaotic spreadsheets into structured data. Look at this column. Typing statuses like pending or done manually is a nightmare. First, it's slow. Second, you make typos. One extra space and your filters stop working. It looks messy and unprofessional. But what if you could turn this mess into an interactive app? I'm going to show you how to create smart dropdowns with color coding. It guarantees clean data and looks amazing. Let's fix this. Select the cells you want to control. Go to the Insert menu and click Dropdown. On the right, you see the data validation rules. This is where the logic lives. Let's set up our workflow. Rename the first option to Pending. Let's assign a gray color to it. Rename the second option to In Progress. Yellow is perfect here. And the last one, Done. Let's make it green for success. Now, a pro tip. Scroll down to Advanced Options. By default, Google uses the chip style. It looks like a button. You can change it to a classic arrow, but I recommend chip for a modern look. Click Done. Now, apply this to the whole column by double-clicking the corner. Look at this. One click to change the status. No typing, no mistakes. See the difference? Clean data in seconds. If this was useful, please leave a like. Subscribe to Sheets Logic for more database secrets in Google Sheets. See you in the next one.